Lost your Peachtree data but have a backup? Don't panic, because today we're turning that lifeline into a fully restored company file in under 90 seconds. First, launch your Peachtree, now known as Sage 50 Accounting software. Make sure you are at the main welcome screen. Next, click on the File menu located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Restore option. This will initiate the Restore Wizard. A Restore Wizard window will now pop up. Read the initial instructions, then click Next to proceed. You'll now be prompted to select your backup file. Choose the Select from Backup File option and then click the Browse button. Navigate to the location where your Peachtree backup file, typically a PTB file, is stored. Select the correct file and click Open. Verify that the correct file path is now displayed in the Restore Wizard. Once confirmed, click Next. Now, you'll be asked to enter a new company name and select the data location for the restored file. It is recommended to give your restored file a slightly different name by adding Restore to the folder name. Choose a location and a name and click Next. Review your settings. If everything looks correct, click Finish to begin the restoration process. A progress bar will appear, indicating the process stage. Once the restoration is complete, you will receive a message confirming a successful restore. Click OK. Peachtree will now open the newly restored company file. Review your data to ensure the restoration was successful. You've now successfully restored your Peachtree company file from a backup.